Buongiorno again, Choro-Q collectors. I got a classic Choro-Q of the fantastic car in real life, the good old F40. So Choro-Q Zero also has an F40. It looks, it's a more modern deformation than this very, very classic one, which leads to the question: how old is this thing? I think it says 80 to 90, so somewhere between 80 and 90. I'm assuming this thing came out, maybe 1990 at the latest. It says it's number 23, high grade maybe, is HG, standard construction with a screw and a tab in the back. These are pullback toys. Let's see if the motor still works. Whoa, that thing was fast. I barely pulled it back. Okay, what's nice about this particular Choro-Q is it has Dunlop printed into the, not printed, but literally molded into the sidewalls. So, very cool. I'm not sure why I put my pick down. Alright. We got the little vents here that you see on the rear photograph. That's kind of neat. We got the side vent. It's a little bit dusty. You know, this is an old toy. The rear is actually not very gappy. Let's put it down the table here. Yeah, it's actually not very gappy, so I don't have a desire to use poster putty when I swap the wheels out. So the front tires also have Dunlop on them. So very neat. Going to the front end, we have black in here. It thinks it's transparent too. It's a smoked plastic, but this looks like it's opaque. Then we have literally a sticker of the Ferrari badge. The vent details there, the pop-up light details there. This is Ferrari F40 as a sticker, and pleasantly it's not peeling off. It's a really rounded domed roof on that thing. This side, oh, I didn't notice there's a little outline for the crest, the Ferrari prancing horse crest. And also, this is molded in, F40 here. Alright, didn't even, oh wait, that's weird. Why would they do that? It's not on this side. This is on this side, but why would they have F40 there? Very strange, right? Or is it only on one side of the car? Maybe it is only on this side of the car. I could be wrong, but I'm looking at the front photograph and I don't see it there. So that could be accurate. Alright, well, we got a nice mesh texture here, and we got the taillights painted red. It tells you what the car is, number 23 in the series, I guess. Two other lights, very good. Yeah, so, I mean, considering how old this is, it's actually kind of cool. There's two round things, or maybe those are fuel fillers. And then we have the vented details for the rear glass. Where's the flashlight? Hold on. Alright, definitely smoked. So it's got a red and yellow motor, or no, it's an all red motor. Alright, well, I'm going to do a wheel swap. This is too cool of a car, so. Although I gotta say, these 5-spokes are pretty close to what the F40 has in real life, so. But I have a 3D printer, so I printed right out now. Oh, pleasantly that came out. You can see the windows melted in there. Oh, I see the black piece is down here. This is the first all-red motor I've seen from Choro-Q. Interesting. So I'm going to actually preserve this motor. I'm just going to get rid of the wheels. So, it's a totally smooth axle, which is pleasant. But I need to grip it, though, to break the other one loose. That doesn't want to come off. Let me come back. So I remounted the tires onto my 3D prints, and I had to trim that front axle off quite a bit. And I also had to shave down my 3D prints quite a bit. You'll see the gray there is a lot taller than on this one. It's because the whole body is tapered. The rears are literally wider than the front, just like the real car. So, alright, well anyways, I think it looks a little bit better now. Let's take a look at some other cars. So the F40 by Choro-Q Zero, it definitely looks nicer if you have to only get one. But they just recently came out with the F40 Competizione, and you'll see that it has different wheels and a different rear wing. Yeah, you see the printing, I mean the molding of the F40 in that wing is a lot better as well. And actually, none of these have F40 on this side of the wing, so that's actually accurate. I'm not sure why they would do that. You know, why would Ferrari not have F40 on both sides? Very strange. Here's a random one. This is by Dendeva. And I have a channel subscription called Dendeva, and he has free STL files. He makes realistic files and deformed files. So this is a Testarossa. But you gotta 3D print it and paint it yourself, of course. And then here's another old Ferrari Choro-Q. This is the 246 Dino. This one actually has Choro kind of lettering molded in. I kind of wish all the Choro-Qs had lettering on the tires, even if it's not a real tire company. It's just nice to have. I don't know why they wouldn't. It doesn't cost that much extra to have some letters molded into a tire. The zeros are so expensive as it is. I mean, it should fit the budget. It's kind of weak. Choro-Q, ripping people off with lameness. I am not sure why my solar spinner is not spinning. Maybe it died. Yeah, there we go. So it's a different deformation. I'm glad I have it. I just really like this car in real life. This is like one of the supercars, you know, when I was a kid. So, yeah, now to have them in deformed shape, I rather like them. So, I do have realistic reviews. I have some, you know, reviews of the realistic 1/64 scale F40s if you want to search my channel for F40. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you the next time a Ferrari comes in. Ciao.